What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Basement from the Website, back with another video. Guys, hey, it's long overdue, you guys. It's finally here. We finally getting things moving. The ball's finally rolling. We getting things going up, man. We got the headliner going off in the Tahoe right now as I speak, you guys. So, man, it's been a process for this evening, but overall, y'all know things take time, man. You know, at least good things take time. Right now, I'm just out here. I'm looking through the whip. The guy actually went to the store, you know, get him something to drink, and you know, stuff of that nature. But anyway, I just thought I'd take a little sneak peek, you know. And, man, we looking real goodish. You know what I'm saying? So what I need y'all to do right now, I need everybody to jump down in the comments right now before y'all eat my shit, and y'all let me know, do y'all think it's fire? Or y'all, it's a hit or miss? I need y'all to jump down in the comments right now and let me know what y'all think it is, a hit or a miss. Y'all do know I went with the red little, I painted all my accents red, so you know, that's what it is. We got these lights in here, whole 1,000 count. Man, I'm excited, you guys. I feel like it's a Friday, like it's my birthday right now. But anyway, yeah, like I said, you know, there's a lot of things going on for this here bill, man. Like I say, we gonna be getting some new wheels for this here sucker real soon. Y'all stay tuned for that. But other than that, you know, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Let me just let y'all see how the process come up, you know, because y'all been patient with me, and man, you know, I truly appreciate you guys, man. Every last one of y'all, man. You remember the whip stock, man. We on our way to 1,000 subs. We trying to get that monetization, and man, we going up. So other than that, man, if you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, I appreciate it if you drop a like, comment, share the videos, subscribe to the page. You know what I'm talking about? Other than that, you guys, let me flip this camera around, man. Let me show y'all what I see, because what I see right now is got your boy really smiling real. All right. As you guys can see, it's coming. I'm just happy right now. Y'all don't pay me too much attention right now. I'm just balling with excitement, and it's just coming out on this camera, so. Man, but anyway, you guys, here we go. This how we looking so far. And for some reason, when this here was out the truck, I didn't know where it went. But if I'd have knew it went right here, I would have sprayed the black. But man, y'all let me know. Do this here little red piece. Y'all feel this little red piece throws it off? Should I paint that red piece black? Y'all let me know, please. Honest opinions only. And y'all can see, for us the little light thing, where we gonna put the light at. I know before y'all eat me up in them comments, I did order the 9 feet wire set, but everything gonna work out just fine. So, you know, y'all make sure that y'all know that when y'all ordering them wires, these here lights, I mean, you know, y'all make sure y'all know what length that y'all going with. But other than that, you guys, this is how it's coming out. I just thought I'd just come out here and pop my head in this truck while a guy will go ahead and get him some lunch or something like that. And we're gonna walk up front. Take y'all. See how it looks from different angles, you know. I like the roof, man. And I'm not done. I still have to do that little trim piece. That little trim piece, as well as these little door handles. These little door pieces as well. I still have to do those as well. But anyway, you guys, man. That's it for the Murder Tahoe. with the little bloody accents. This how they look with them on. As y'all know, it's still daylight out here, so bear with me. But anyway, you guys, and I'm at the back of the truck, kind of give y'all a little view. And I will come out tonight and give y'all a little view how they look at night as well. But for right now, I done wrapped everything up and got the headliner in. It's all lit up. So what I need y'all to do, y'all already know. I need y'all to jump down in them comments right now. Y'all let me know, did we hit it out the park or did we miss it? Is it a home run or did we strike out, you guys? Y'all let me know. But like I said, you guys, it's your boy Big Smurf from the Whoop Stop. Y'all remember, positive lives spread positive vibes, you guys. So with that being said, y'all leave me a like, share this video. And with that being said, we're going to catch y'all on the next one.
Baby,